Why does water bead on a slick surface? We're going to explain that today at the molecular level with the key ring atom. Now, what causes water to bead? Well, two things. One of them is the surface tension, or with the key ring atom, that would be your electron ring entanglement. And the second thing is gravity. First of all, if water spreads out, gravity causes it to spread out evenly. It's also gravity that's going to cause it to bead up. And it's the personal gravity of the water. So first we're going to come over here and we're going to show you water beading on a piece of wax paper. All right, this is wax paper right here. Just a glass of water. Now watch, when I pour this water on there, it's going to go level and it's going to bead up. Notice how it's beading up. Notice how it pulls away and it beads up into a ball. You wiggle a little more here. Notice the beads in the walls, but how it stays together. Now, I'm going to take this away and I'm going to show you why water beads up into a ball like that. Now, if I was to put water on here, this is a key ring water molecule. One of the things is, this is slick. So you have to think of it this way is, due to the configuration of the wax paper, the electron ring entanglement with the water lets it move freely. It doesn't have friction. It doesn't get tangled up. However, when you put another piece of water next to that, these kind of stick together. That's surface tension. They have a tendency to stick together. Now, the reason that it beads up and balls up and doesn't stick, number one, sliding. The second thing is, the reason it doesn't go out level is because of gravity. Now, we have gravity. If you have a gravity particle going through to the earth like it always does, it's going to hit the atoms all around. It's going to push them down. The other thing you got to look at is each one of these proton rings is going to have gravity going through it from different directions. So when it's going to one, for example, if it's going to this one, it's going to put a pressure on the water up close. It's going to be slightly more than what the gravity is going to the earth. It's the personal gravity that's going through all these rings in the water as a whole that's going to cause it and push it to ball up. There is something pushing it up. You can see it when you pour it on there. And it has to be a force that's pushing. And that's what it is. And that's why water is pushed together. And it's that simple. Two things cause water to bead. Electron ring entanglement and gravity. Causes water to bunch up and push itself together. So simple. Why is it simple? It's because physics and chemistry are easy with the correct geometry.